Hi traders, my name is Steven, but you can call me Mr. Vix. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to place multiple positions on Volatility 5 index. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out every time we post something new. Let me jump you right into the video so we can get you started. First thing first, you need a pen. And secondly, you need a book. Thank you. Yeah. Now we can go ahead and talk about how we can achieve these targets on Volatility 5 index, especially on how we can enter those multiple positions on VIX75 index. So I'll just write it down, quickly write it down so we can actually see what happens for us to get those awesome positions on VIX75. Make sure you stay tuned to the video as we break down how we can enter those multiple trades on VIX75. So if you want to be the best, do what the best do. You must record your work. Once you record your work, everything will eventually pay off, because now we are mapping VIX75 right now. We've got the channel, which is VIX75 right now is currently trending in a bearish channel. But we've seen where it is right now, and we're also looking for buy opportunities, which is something that we might benefit from. So I'm 80% sure that there are chances that the market will go up from right where it is right now. So just record your work. Once you record your work, and everything will pay off. If you don't do this, it's going to take you quite a while, but this is the easiest and fastest way for you to learn how to trade and grow that account. So once you do this, you're good to go. Trust me. So once you're done with recording your work, which is very important, once you put your work in the memo, it will help you understand and remember correctly what you did. So these are one of the things that you should understand. But once you're done with that, now we can actually break down the analysis on VIX75. So we'll just quickly analyze VIX75 and see if we have any opportunities and to buy or sell, and just quickly explain to you where you can actually add those multiple trades or those multiple sells or multiple buys. So this is how you basically do it. Make sure you label your chart step by step. So first thing first, we have to draw the support trend line and resistance trend line. Once we draw the support and resistance trend line, again identify the higher highs and lower lows. So once we do that, it will help us understand even more better what's happening to the market, where the market is going and everything. So this is a perfect step that you guys have to take. Once you're done with everything, once you draw trend lines, I've been getting this question a lot of times. Once you draw a trend line, whenever market retraces back to the trend line, that becomes your selling or buying point. So let's say we have a resistance trend line. Once market retraces back to resistance trend line, that's where you actually sell. So, and if you're buying, once market pulls back on the support trend line, that's where you actually buy. So it's just it's simple. It's like basics actually. So you have to sell high and buy low, and that's one thing that you have to always remember and be guided onto. So as you can see, I've just drawn my resistance trend line as well as support trend line. So every time market touches the resistance, price drops. The reason why is because market has already touched the resistance and we sell at the resistance trend line. So basically, this is just it. If you pay attention to this, then you don't have to have difficulties in your trading journey. If you focus on this strategy, it will make you a lot of money. And it will change your mindset about trading. So this is the strategy that I use, and I hope it helps somebody out there, somebody watching. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you watch this video right up to the end so you can see how I was breaking down the entries in the 1 hour analysis update. So everything is there. Once market touches the trend line, that's your opportunity for you to sell or buy. So this is something that has helped me out along the way. I hope it does help somebody watching. So if you like our channel or you feel in our channel, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Patience and risk management is all you need to master to become a profitable trader. We are digital age, FX, and our aim is to make trades simple for you.